नमस्कार सम्पूर्ण साथीहरूलाई तपाईहरुलाई हाम्रो यस च्यानलमा स्वागत छ। फ्री एमसीक्यू र रिटर्न नोट्सको लागि डिस्क्रिप्सन बक्समा राखेको पेजलाई फलो गर्नुहोला र त्यहाँबाट डाउनलोड गर्नुहोला है त। यदि कोही साथीहरु हाम्रो यस च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ हाम्रो यस च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर साइडमा रहेको बेल आइकन क्लिक गरेर अल नोटिफिकेसन अन गर्नुहोला ताकि हामीले अपलोड गरेका हरेक भिडियोजहरु हजुरकै मोबाइलमा नोटिफिकेसन पाउनु हुनेछ है त साथीहरु। अनि आजको चाहिँ क्विज रहेको छ कम्प्युटरबाट 50 क्वेशन छ। तपाईहरुले 5 सेकेन्ड भित्र आन्सर दिनुपर्ने छ है। ओके, अब धेरै समय नलिकन क्विज स्टार्ट गरौँ है त साथीहरु। अनि धेरै साथीहरुको चाहिँ राष्ट्रिय वाणिज्य बैंकको फर्म चाहिँ भेरिफाई भएको छैन, त्यसको लागि टेन्सन नगर्नु होला। भेरिफाई हुन्छ, सबैको धेरैको भेरिफाई हुन बाँकी छ है। त्यही भएर बिस्तारै भेरिफाई हुन्छ, तपाईहरु नआत्तिनु होला। तपाईहरुले आफ्नो जीमेल चाहिँ टाइममा चेक गर्दै गर्नु होला। त्यसमा चाहिँ स्पाममा मेसेज आएको हुन्छ, सबमिट भयो नभएको तपाईको त्यो मेसेज आएको हुन्छ, भेरिफाई नभएको भनेर हेर्दै गर्नु होला है त। अब क्विज स्टार्ट गरौँ है साथीहरु।
What is the full form of computer? Answer C. Commonly operating machine purposely used for technical and educational research. What is the full form of CPU? Answer A. Central Processing Unit. Full form of KB in memory. Answer C. Kilobyte. RAM stands for. Answer B. Random access memory. FIFO stands for. Answer C. First in, first out. How many types of software are? Answer B. 2 types. How many parts are there in CPU? Answer C. 2 parts. How many types of memory are there? Answer C. 2 types of memory are there. CPU consists of. Answer A. Both ALU and CU.
Who is the father of computer? Answer C. Charles Babbage.
How many arrow keys are in keyboard? Answer C. 4 arrow keys. Name the type of RAM that are present. Answer C. Both A and C. Shortcut key for refreshing the computer. Answer C. F5. What is the time period of first generation computer? Answer A. 1946 to 1959. 1 byte equal to. Answer C. 8 bits. Which technology was used in the first generation of computer? Answer D. Vacuum tube. Which of the following is not an example of software? Answer C. Mouse. Shortcut key for cut. Answer B. Control X. Bits stands for. Answer A. Binary digits. The smallest unit of data in computer is. Answer A. Bit. 1 KB equal to. Answer B. 1024 bytes. Shortcut key for the folder creation. Answer B. Control plus Shift plus N. Shortcut key for undo is. Answer number C. Control plus Z. Shortcut key for copy is. Answer C. Control plus C. Shortcut key for shut down the computer is. Answer B. Alt F4. Shortcut key for select all. Answer C. Control A. In computer system, 1 nibble equal to. Answer C. 4 bits. Example of hardware. Answer D. All of the above. How many computer generations are there? Answer A. 5 generations. How many keys are there on keyboard? Answer C. 104 keys. What is the example of binary numbers? Answer C. 0 and 1. The brain of any computer system is. Answer number D. CPU. Which of the following is the logic gate? Answer D. All of the above. What is the use of shift delete? Answer C. For permanent delete. Operating system is the example of. Answer C. Software. Which of the following is the example of operating system? Answer D. All of the above. Email stands for. Answer A. Electronic mail. The list of coded instruction in computer is called. Answer A. Computer program. Gmail stands for? Answer C. Google Mail. Which is known as the main memory of computer? Answer D. Primary memory. Which of the following is the example of input devices? Answer D. Both A and B. The first computer network is? Answer A. ARPANET. Name the two kinds of main memory. Answer A. RAM and ROM. Which of the following is not component of computer system? Answer C. Stepper motor. Is ALU a part of memory? Answer B. False. Which of the following is the example of volatile memory? Answer A. RAM. Which part of the CPU that perform all the mathematical operations? Answer B. ALU. Which of the following is the valid measurement unit of memory? Answer D. All of the above. How many bits are used in binary coded decimal? Answer C. 6 bits. Half byte or 4 bits is called? Answer D. Nibble. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below and say on which type of video you want in this channel.